A major rescue operation is underway after an explosion at a mine in eastern Russia left dozens of miners trapped deep underground and killed at least one. The blast took place 820 feet below the surface at Listvyazhnaya coal mine in Siberia shortly after 9 a.m. Thursday, when coal dust in the ventilation ducts caught fire. At least one person, a 23-year-old, was killed in the explosion, with another 43 people suffering injuries from smoke inhalation, including 2 in serious condition. But many more are unaccounted for and feared trapped. Amid confusion over the numbers, Regional Governor Sergei Tsivilev said 49 were missing, but other reports put the figure as high as 75. Interfax said an explosion thundered in the mine, causing the emergency. Fire was said to be raging in a ventilation tunnel. A report by Russia's Interfax news agency said an equipment malfunction or natural causes were seen as the cause of the explosion. A major operation in sub-zero temperatures was underway to save the trapped miners, according to multiple reports. The Russian investigative committee indicated 45 people missing. But MASH news outlet, which showed pictures from the scene, said 75 remain trapped inside the mine. Interfax reported the same figure. As the first victims emerged from the mine, a local emergencies source said, according to preliminary data, none have bodily injuries. They inhaled smoke as a result of the explosion. According to Russia's technological watchdog, an explosion occurred in the mine's airway and was launched by the Kemerovo Region Prosecutor's Office. Listvyazhnaya is part of STS Ugol, one of Russia's biggest coal mining companies.